The hedge fund industry's launch calendar has hit an all-time low this year, but that doesn't tell the whole story behind the market.
I think part of what's been going on is uh, investors in the United States and in Europe, which are still the primary sources of capital, are once again becoming willing to fund high quality startups from managers who have good track records for wherever else it was they happen to be. And I expect that when new statistics come out in another 3 or 6 months, that it's going to show a market improvement for the second half of the year. At least it's starting to shape up that way.
The push for transparency in the markets is coming from investors and allocators and fund managers in order to try to demonstrate their value.
The fact is, though, I think it's certainly there's been an increasing level of concern about transparency, but I don't see it yet as being a top line concern for for our clients anyway in the industry. It's something people are talking about, something investors are talking about, but my feeling is at this stage of the game, it's still something that's more talked about than practiced.
Many investors question the value of transparency, since most information is outdated by the time it is published.
Part of the issue with transparency is even if you got the information, what would you do with it? And I think the firms that are doing this well and the investors who are doing it well are getting basically better risk reporting, better exposure reporting, rather than anything remotely approaching position level transparency.
But Pfeffer sees the future in smaller, more customized boutiques, with a combination of consolidation and attrition.
At the top end, where it's largely a game of scale, I think there will be additional consolidation. I see no reason to think that trend won't continue. At the same time, I think there's plenty of room for firms that are offering something a little bit different, and that's certainly a big part of our business plan.
For Global Custodian, I'm Abby Knight.